How to log out Instagram account from all devices and force logout everywhere. In order to log out your Instagram account from all the devices where your Instagram account is logged in, go ahead and then launch the Instagram application first. And here you can see I'm logged into my primary account or the device. Come to your profile page, followed by the three lines icon from the very top right hand side. Then from there select the option Account Center. From Account Center, you'll find all these various options from where you can go to the one that says Password and Security. Then from there, select the option called Where you are logged in. And obviously, select your Instagram account again. And you will see a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in. Just scroll down and tap on Select Devices to log out. Now go about selecting the list of devices that you may be or do not recognize for any sort of reason. Once you select the respective devices, tap the little logout button over here and tap the logout button. If you want to select all, you can go ahead and do that as well. Not only that, a bonus tip I would recommend you do is if you want to keep your account secured, I'd also recommend you change your password. So come back to this tab and select the option called Change Password, and when you change your password, 100% everyone will be logged out of your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.